Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another sneak peek review from Nitecore. Now they sent this to me. This is a brand new light of theirs. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this package. This is exactly the way they sent it to me. It's just a flashlight by itself. Now the release candidate is going to be different. It's going to have, your USB cable, some other goodies, lanyard, all that sort of stuff. But just for now, let's go ahead and get this open, see what's in. Now this is the EDC series of lights, which I did a review. One of these is a prototype, keeping in line with design and style. Here it is, the Nitecore EDC35. There it is. Keeping with the host design, difference is they went with a 21700 cell, so it's quite a bit smaller. Now this here, I understand, is a 6000 milliamp 21700 cell, which is incredible. It's going to give you a lot better run time. I like the grooves here on the body. They really help with gripping the light so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Now you can table stand this as well. And the gray bezel, as well as the gray tail end. That is the power switch there, 2-stage. Now this is also the charging port cover here. Let's go ahead and show that to you again. Just like on the previous models, Type C. And you can rapidly charge this battery using a QC or PD charger. Instant lockout switch. I like to call it a kill switch, because even if the light is on, you can literally lock it out at the spur of the moment. There it is there. Clip is pretty sturdy. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. It's got some heat sinking here on the head of the light. And of course, style and design is very nice. No issues with any Nitecore I've ever tested. And of course, the machining and finish is excellent. It's got that Lumens shield. It's just a complete wall of light. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that textured reflector. Now this is running the UHI 40 Max LED, very similar to the other ones. It's got all those LEDs around the edge, and then that center core one to help with throw. Okay, well normally I would take this all apart, but you can't do it. This is a sealed unit. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. You're going to unlock the light first, and we're going to full press that. Now you can half press to go through those light outputs. Now if you do want the highest output of the throwing LED, you're going to half press and hold. And I believe that's 3000 lumens according to the white papers. And then full press and hold is 5000 lumens. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look at the blended LED performance on this. You see it does have a centralized area here, a little bit of bleeding here, and then it really, all the LEDs taper off, which is pretty normal, and I'll show that to you now. You can see it just blends it all the way out. So you still got that centralized area. And that is impressive. Battery level indicator is still there, like on the previous models. And you can check that when it's off too, just by half pressing without even turning on the light. Again, I'm going to show you the instant lockout feature. Just kills the light automatically. And then you can turn it back on. So it's like a kill switch, but it's a lockout. You can pressure switch this if you want that tactical. Same goes for full press. Get that 5,000 lumens. A lot of light levels that can be beneficial for whatever you're using it for. Now the two-stage switch can be a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, all of my Nitekores, like the TM series, have this type of switch, so I'm kind of used to it. But if you're new to this particular type of switch, practice with it. It really is easy to get a hang of quickly. Half press and hold. Full press and hold gives you that highest output. Now this does have memory mode. So if you turn it off there, turn it back on. So that's nice. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple, easy operation for this. No special modes. It's pretty straightforward, easy to operate this. There's nothing difficult. I like the two-stage switch. That way you can have the balance of more throw or flood. It's up to you. But the LEDs do come on the higher outputs, so it's beneficial beam if you want it on more of a floody, more, should I say, more of illumination in your spill area. You're going to be liking this LED. This is an incredible LED. I've played around with these other ones for quite a bit, and it is an amazing LED. So I'm just going to show you a size comparison before we head out there. You can see it's quite a bit bigger. Running the bigger battery in there. Now this here is the textured reflector. This is the release candidate, and then this here is the smooth reflector. This was the prototype, and they did some changes on this at the last second, so alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this EDC35 outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness and the storms. This is the Nitecore EDC35. Let's go ahead and get started. And I gotta unlock it. We got full battery power. Water spout, 38 feet. There it is on the fence. Up close is fine at this level. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Nice jump. And the tree of life, 138 feet. Rain's starting to come down pretty good here. 65 feet there to that tree. next level. It's got some pretty good range on this, 550 meters. Making it across the park to those playgrounds there. Both of them. Making those trees out there. 138 feet here again to the Tree of Life. Before and after here. Alright, so we're going to half press it now to get the high stuff. Nice. I got some rain on the lens. Sorry about that. Let's turn it back up here again. That's getting the range out there. A nice throwing range. So now we're going to do all the LEDs. We're going to do all of them here, 5,000 lumens. See how it does. Nice. Making it across the way with these. 238 feet there. Now we're going to do it again. Nice. Now this is made for short burst, so you definitely want to use it for that purpose. Blind someone easily. Great. We'll do turbo again here since the rain has died down a little bit here. Luma shield. Let's see if it makes those trees there. Try to do half press and hold. There it is. It is making that closest palm tree there, and the second one faintly making it, but it is making that closer one. Nice. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance on this. I do like it a little bit more than these, but for size comparison, this here is more of an EDC, a lot lighter in weight than this one. But if you're not worried about size, I think this one will do very well for you. This here is living by standards of Nitecore, not only in build quality but performance. Now I know it's some people are going to say, hey, I hate the sealed units. I tend to agree, because usually when the lights say like there's a battery failure or it just gets old, you know, it's a done deal. You're going to just simply throw away this light. Now as far as lifespan on this is going to be averaging 3 to 5 years, and that's of normal use. So if you use it every day, it should last you quite a while. In regards to their battery life, Nitecore only uses the highest quality OEM cells in their lights, even the ones that they rewrap. So just letting you know, if you do have a problem with their lights, they always stand by their products. And if you do have any issues, you can email me as well. I will help you out to be able to get you a solution to your problem. And that email is at reachmebridge@zoho.com. That's REACHMEBRIDG@zoho, ZOHO.com. I'll help you out the best that I can and get you some help Even if you have some questions, leave them in the comments below the video. I do read every comment that I can, and I will answer. Now, overall, top-notch build quality, which is what you expect from Nitecore. Now, I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this EDC35 to test and review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, it's not available yet, but it is for pre-order. If this is something you are wanting to get, you can check out the link below my video, including a special discount code that will help you save money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these sneak peek Nitecore products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.